Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we have with us Majorette teen boxes, as you can see. And these are very special boxes. They have diecast vehicles inside them, and this one is from the original series, and this one is from their Deluxe metal series. So here we have Volkswagen T1, and here we have Citroen 2CV. So we'll see them one by one. I have a long unboxing video of both of them on the channel, but just wanted to make a dedicated videos for this one. Okay, just a dedicated video for both of this because this one is very special and they come with this tin boxes, so it will be fun to see them together. That's why. So we'll start with this one, and you can hear it. This is a metal tin box, and the finishing of this box is very good. You can see the silver with uh, the lid of black color and engraving of the Citroen car, and this is the exact car that is inside. So they have done a very detailed and great job over it. You can see how cool the box looks, and it is very good. You can see Majorette branding over here. If you're wondering why it's like looking like this in a faded condition, but it is what it is. Like it will come with like this engraving only. If you see here also, it is not faded or irregularity from Majorette. It's just their logo. Okay, the brand symbol. So let's open it and see how it is from inside. It opens like this, a sliding lid. Okay, and here we have the car. Close the box, and if you are able to see, this is a very nice metal body plus metal chassis, and the tires here are made of rubber. They are not plastic, if you are wondering. It doesn't have suspension that much, but this is a very antique looking car, vintage looking car, and I just fall in love with this car because of this opening hood, and you can see the engine detailing over here. It is quite impressive. The Citroen logo over here. You can see. Let me zoom it a little bit for you guys. Yeah. Now if you're able to see the logo of Citroen, the headlights are made of metal and they are not painted, but below some paint job is there. And you can see this paint job over here, the fading color. It is exact color that they have given in this Citroen 2CV back then, and it looks so majestic. You can see it. There is no open window on it, like all glass from everywhere, and they have some quite good interior. If you're able to see from the glass, they have this wipers also, so it is quite detailed model. Talking about the tires, they are made of rubber. The spokes are good. Coming to the back, you can see the tail lights, and they have attached the chassis to it like this. See, there is an attachment over here. Both are metal. This is a silver. We have mirrors also. You can see a logo over here also, the lining and the detailing of the curves. It's a quite nice vintage looking model. As soon as I saw in this in the Hamley, I just bought it, and it was a very impulsive decision. Just looking by it and how the car was feeling, so it is very good. And I'm telling you, like, this is a very heavy car, so because of the chassis and body both are made of metal, that's why. So talking about the base now, you can see it's made in Thailand by Majorette Citroen 2CV 1/64, and it's made something in Germany. I'm not able to read it. Yeah, Fürth, Germany. Some information is given over here. Space Fürth, Germany. I'm not sure what this means, but there is a reference of 253 here. Let's see how it rolls. It doesn't roll nice. There is a lot of wobble. But this is not for rolling. As you know, guys, this is for a showpiece. Now going back to the originals, and just fall in love with the art over here. Nicely they have created this box art, and you can see for the Citroen 2CV also. It's falling. Yeah, there is a very cool thing about this tin box art. You can see there is a symbol, the originals, and there's a heart symbol over here. So this box is also very good, and you can see a made in China written over here. This also slide like this, and here we have Volkswagen T1. Let's close the box. Very satisfying, right? Let's see the car. Let's see the van now. You can see here also the German written. I was just seeing there, and here also the same thing is written. But yeah, okay, let's dive into here. And if you're able to see, this one also a very detailed model, and compared to this Citroen 2CV, this is more heavier on the side, because I don't know why, but yeah, the metal used here, maybe it's very heavy, and the chassis is also very heavy. So both of them is metal. And let me tell you guys, this is a official licensed product by Majorette, and Majorette holds that license from Volkswagen. So I have like a T1 with not so detailed thing, but a set of the originals from Majorette only, the T3 and T1. I like the T3 more from the set, but this T1 is more detailed because it have this rubber tire suspensions, then the chassis is metal, the body is metal, and obviously it have like opening part over here, and it is a official licensed product. So summing this all, it is very detailed model. Let me give you a close-up look of this car, this van, sorry. And starting from the paint job, this is where I fall in love. See the paint job, see the waves, and see how cool they have made it. Love, peace, and music. So this is what I look for, guys. And you can see how cool they fitted the logo over here between a heart, the Volkswagen logo. I was just loving with this paint job. It is too detailed, too nice, and good to be true in this price. Actually, I got this for around 800 or 900 rupees something back then from Amazon. You can see the headlights are inserted as a plastic inserts, so that is a very cool thing. If you are able to see the wipers and the seats inside, the interior is too good. It is matching with the surfboard here. Now let's see the back. You get some tail lights, and it is a similar kind of stuff here also. They have used to fit the chassis to the body. If you are able to see here, it's the same thing. That's how they connect the chassis with the body. And here is the opening part. You can see there is some space for you to grill some barbecues and to sit and relax over there. So that's a nice thing. The interior is too good. A very long time I wanted to make a video, like to shoot a detailed video on this car, because last time I have not given justice to the details of it or details of the car. So wanted to show you guys how detailed it is. And see the suspension. See, with rubber tires you get suspension also, the spokes and all. It's too good. Now talking about this one, we have attachment over here with the surfboard, and this attaches like this. But I have for the T1 and T3, like you can attach a tire over here also. So there are some accessories that comes with. If you get a separate set also, they will attach here very conveniently. Now talking about the base, you can see it's made in Thailand, and here also some German thing written over here. Official licensed product, reference 243A Volkswagen T1. And this base is also of metal only. They have very beautiful violet color and ocean blue above, and it's very good model, guys. Let me show you how it rolls. Let's make some space. It wobbles, but it has suspension. See, so that is a very good part. Glass over here. That's it, guys, for both of these cars, and we'll meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep liking, keep sharing.